Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Maintaining the electrical integrity of a vessel is a continuous challenge due to the high vibration and humid salt air environments that accelerate the degradation of components. Infrared thermography has become an essential predictive maintenance tool for marine engineers, allowing them to identify potential electrical faults before they lead to catastrophic failure or shipboard fires. The fundamental principle of this technology is that electrical resistance generates heat. When a component such as a circuit breaker terminal or a busbar connection develops a fault, its resistance increases, which in turn produces a localized rise in temperature known as a hotspot. An infrared camera captures the invisible thermal radiation emitted by these objects and converts it into a visible color-coded image called a thermogram. Interpreting these images correctly requires more than just looking for bright spots on a screen. A skilled technician must understand the concept of emissivity, which is the ability of a surface to emit thermal energy. Shiny metallic surfaces like polished copper bus bars have low emissivity and can reflect the heat of surrounding objects, leading to false readings. To get an accurate interpretation, engineers often apply matte electrical tape or specialized paint to these surfaces to standardize the thermal data. When analyzing a thermogram, the most common fault identified is a loose or corroded connection. In a three-phase system like those found on most ships, a healthy circuit should show balanced temperatures across all three phases. If one phase appears significantly hotter than the others, it usually indicates a high-resistance connection or an unbalanced load. Another critical fault is an internal defect within a component, such as a failing contactor or a pitted breaker contact. These often manifest as heat blooming from within the device rather than at the external terminal points. Interpreting the severity of a fault is typically done using temperature delta criteria, which compares the temperature of the suspect component to a similar loaded reference component or the ambient air. A temperature difference of a few degrees might suggest a minor issue requiring monitoring, while a difference of over 15 degrees Celsius usually indicates a serious deficiency that needs immediate intervention. It is also vital to perform these inspections while the electrical system is under at least 40% load, because a fault may not generate detectable heat if the current flow is too low. Environmental factors like airflow from engine room ventilation must be accounted for, as they can cool a hotspot and mask a developing problem. Beyond just finding heat, thermography allows for the identification of inductive heating in metal enclosures and tracking the thermal health of motor control centers and main switchboards. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.